Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Trola, California. Today we're presenting for you the brand new 2025 Keystone Outback OBX 18BHS. Now, this particular unit is come loaded from the manufacturer with a power package. What does mean power package? It come with a Dragonfly lithium battery on board. As you see, it's come with two of them. So it come with Dragonfly lithium battery included in the price, included in this unit. Come the way it is from the factory. They already have solid box with the lock, and these lithium battery, it's 100 amp power each. So you have a 200 amp power right there inside that box with the two lithium battery, 100 amp Dragonfly. Then it come with 2000-watt inverter installed and is done from the factory, which is located right here. So you will see the Santax inverter, 2000 watts, with a solar panel controller with the big fuse box. Show them all this gadgets with a battery disconnect switch. And in the roof, you're gonna see two panels of 220 watts. So this unit, it come here, if you see, it's a little bit harder. There's two panels next to each other. One panel is 220 watt each. So there's a 440 watt on the roof. So there's 440 watt on the roof solar panel with a 2000 watt inverter with the two lithium batteries on board. So this unit, you have continuous power, unlimited, as much you want with no problem. The sun will charge the solar charge the lithium. The inverter take the power from the lithium battery and power up the unit. So you could run the microwave, you could run laptop or the TV, blocks around it, so with no problem. The OBX, why I like OBX for multiple reasons. This is not a cheap entry level 20-foot bunk house. They give you the European windows. This is very nice acrylic European windows. They give you the big gel coated cap on the front with aerodynamic with LED light. They give you the off-road tires. But I want you to show you this unit has also the B&L torsion axle with spring loaded. As you see here, this is the big spring, and then this is the torsion. So it has the off-road tire package, it has the beef up axle on it for extreme bouncing. And the top of that, they come with a grill with it, with the hookup for outside sprayer. So the outside grill come with it, the outside sprayer come with it. Then we see here a nice power awning with LED light. And then look how big that outside speakers. And in the back of this unit, it come with a backup camera. So you see here, it come with the backup camera. Come with the ladder, expandable. Come with it. Come with a class 3 hitch in the rear. Matter of fact, in the back here, we have the ladder right here. And we have the outside grill. This has what's called pack and play door, which is a door you open it and then you flip the bunk on the top and you latch it. So you could put your bicycles, or you could put whatever kids' toys, whatever boxes, whatever you want to store underneath the bunk area. So this is the pack and play door. Then also you have a nice slide out over here. And then as usual, the OBX, they give us the endless hot water heater with the solar, additional solar if you want more solar than what it is on it. You have one-piece docking station here. They offer us the docking station for your city water connection. On the front here, it comes with a leopard jacket, which is, it's a bike rack. It handles 3 bicycle. I could put here in the front. As you see, this is a 20-footers, has nice bed in the front. This is sleep 2, bigger bed with a storage underneath. We have a sofa bed on a slide out with a footrest, so I could put my feet up. I could put a tray here, have my food or my laptop. I could watch the TV from there. Kitchen across from it. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinet. It's amazing. And then this tray, if you don't want it, you could take it off and you could use it as for seating, as you see right here. So I could put my cups, close this one, and as usual, we notice in this one, if you don't like those trays, now you have a sofa, and this sofa, it turned to a bed, and it's a jackknife sofa, as you see in this video. If you want to just make it a sofa and store this one underneath, it has the footrest as we mentioned, and beautiful acrylic window. That's what I really like about this particular unit. Look how it's so nice, easy to open. Let me show you. Very open, and then a couple clicks is done, and then I could close it. Voila. Yeah, so a nice window, fresh air. If I don't want the fresh air to come in, I want just the bug. This is privacy, and then this to give you the nice screen. Or I can close it, open it, couple clicks. Then I close it, and voila. And then I have full privacy on this acrylic. And all of them, you have one by the main bed, you have one by the kitchen, and then you have one by the bunk. Those tables, you could store them inside underneath the sofa, or you want to leave them, you can. There's one, the second. Across from the sofa, I have a beautiful kitchen, and it's a complete kitchen. It has the nice 3-burner range oven and a range, and then a nice big sink, silverware, and then another cooking pan doors. Again, I'm telling you, this thing is loaded. Give you everything. Even they give you the Lippert tire Linux, where you put this one in your truck, and then you could watch on your phone or come with the screen. There's the screen, come with it. You put this one on your truck, on your dashboard, and you could watch like this. You could watch your temperatures, your tire pressures on your trailers while you're driving. And it come with the unit. The kitchen, huge storage. Look how many dishes you can and cooking pan you could put. As well, doors here. It give you a nice microwave right here. Now, unlike their fridge, they give you fridge and freezer, the 5.6 cubic. Then, if you tell me I need pantry, look how deep the pantries. And then they give you a Freon AC, and this AC run off a remote control. It's right here. You can run the AC while you are at the bed off remote control. And then you have nice bunk. Each bunk handle 300 pound. You have one on top, one there, and then at the bottom you could see it come with the grill, as I mentioned. This is the grill, come with it. Also, you could store a lot of stuff here at the end. Across from that, we have a nice bed. It's a queen, almost queen. You could handle 2 people, there's no problem. You have a 32-inch TV, smart TV, run off the battery. As you see, I'm running everything right now off the battery. You have a storage right there. So if you have a SAB machine, there's an inverter plug with 110, and you could put it right here. So at night you could use it. There's 2 plugs over here with the USB. All these plugs with the yellow sticker said inverter. All I have to do just turn this switch on, and if I turn this switch on, I turn my inverter on, and then I could run these plug, make them hot, and getting 110 from the solar. So the inverter switch is right there in the corner. There's your TV. Then we're going over here to the bathroom. We have very nice roomy bathroom. We come with the porcelain toilet, not a plastic. And then they provide you with a sink, a fantastic fan with a rain sensor, and they give you the tub for the kids and a big shower for the cabin. So this is the 18BHS OBX. This unit, we have it in stock in two different versions. We have one version is the loaded, the one with the 2 lithium battery, the 2000-watt inverters, the 2 solar panels with the bike rack, and I have exact same one without the lithium battery, without the extra solar, and without the inverter. So we have it both in stock. Come to Best RV and get the best and the lowest price for you.